We had an extensive collaboration between the Healthcare Professionals Working Party and the Patient and Consumer Party in the past months, and Carla has just presented this very nicely. Thank you so much. There are a few things I have to add to what she presented. My organization, the European AIDS Treatment Group, has run a survey on stockouts 2 years ago, covering EU member states plus some neighboring countries like Ukraine, Turkey, Balkan, Serbia, Macedonia, and Albania. What we observed in this survey is that stockouts occurred, including in France, to our surprise, mainly due to bad planning in hospitals or in health ministries, and some wholesale companies doing dirty business over borders, causing stockouts. One issue in health ministries we have to deal with is people sitting there not knowing the importance of continuous treatment, and then you cannot fiddle people around, switch from one treatment to another when something runs out. So there is a huge information task we have to do here. The reasons we observed were all not in the remit of the European Medicines Agency. Switching hat right now, I'm also directing a clinical association of AIDS clinicians in Europe, and referring to the Celix case. It was difficult to understand for our physicians that they had to knock at doors in every single member state at the competent authority in order to find a solution to that. It was not only difficult to understand, it was impossible to manage. These are all very busy people. We want the EMA to be more proactive and collaborate with us beforehand, because it was foreseeable, they stock out, to find a solution. The situation could have been prevented. The US allowed, the FDA allowed the importing of an Indian generic to remedy the situation. This could have been done easily in Europe. Finally, my last point, and perhaps my most important one, looking at the sharp increase of stockouts in the past few years and the increasing globalization and outsourcing of manufacturing, I think we have to realize that the supply chain has become extremely fragile and vulnerable, and is one of the reasons of the stockouts we observe. So I would like to make a case for supply chain management and supply chain systems to become a subject of inspection by the regulators. Thank you.